the sound of hope. Can you hear what hope sounds like?
Nope. For some can't cope with the world that they live in, living in a reality where hope, nope, doesn't exist. When I think of my childhood, far from the wildhood, riding bikes, jumping rope, playing ball, collecting Pokemon, gotta catch them all.
Never would I imagine fearing for my life, fearing for the dark, fearing for the next person that will come through the door. Nope. You see, I live in the grace of God. Safe, warm, happy, for many miles away, for someone just like me. Happiness? Warmth? It's just a fairy tale, you see?
So what shall I do? Just enjoy my life feeling blessed? No, 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 even Jesus said, blessed are the poor in spirit, blessed are the peacemakers. So through Christ's love and strength, that is what I will do. Bring peace to the troubled, bring strength to the weak, bring hope to the hopeless. So can you